Senior Note, 2 days after the national disaster of flood, and crying to say,
That's an opinion. I'm sure it's you for natural point now.
Ezra 94.1
Nyama to you. Come on, issue power more issue stay on Yama. Not before I call on my PK information them. Then just an president, or directly say Jakarta contingency for name for support them into more business in Yamaka.
94.1
records so that you be sending a
so from all your assessment, we hearing say 12 people confirmed dead, over 38,000 displaced, affected in terms of flooding, and others missing. And now pay, what is the current update of damages?
I'm not pay the so far Temana almost one body or and I pay Temana one body. But once you see no channel, if you not places you are not depending on or what they are not beginning. And you know, we hope that you ain't casualties, but so far they are almost safe haven. The place veterans are all safe havens. You know, Abama there provide them on Yamaka, they can just get back to their livelihood.
Are we saying, sir, for now, man for air returning to a Juman is our normal nana?
But I
Maminya this, ensure talk and crying, ensure tongue crying. From NADMO's point of view, how did we get here for about 3 hours rainfall?
Human activity contributed about 40% of early warning systems are headed to home. Because in it drains here, you hear main. One say allow the drain and the main drain are connected to all the major drains that do into no crop calling. But you won't say if you better not is here upper drain half. And we need the size of the volume. We need the size of the drain to accommodate enough volume. Now, if you remember, now, no point of a partner in grade in the house. You know, I want to and a move fast. But going forward, we know we'll get structure, authorized structure. Yeah, as part of the statistics, they get clear from them, you know what we go back as last year. All these avoid some of these parents. But telling him to do that, the next one was too much. But we are not throwing our hands. Never I say we have get our emergency plan, help, and then evacuation, and make sure that our recovery system will be great. So that
voice no break line or question kakra if you can position for me. Say ensuing nyai from meteorological department borders water. Are we set was to be you can casualty any damage and cost. Can we contain the situation?
Oh, we can contain the situation in terms of our response. And it takes about because when we put out this warning sign, when we put out the information, people do not reach until they are caught up with the situation. Because there was training to indicate the evacuation route and all these things in communities that are flashpoints. And so most of them are aware. If we don't do when we are doing the training, they don't really pay attention. Because obviously we are prevent the disaster, but if it occurs, we have to activate our response and make sure that every one of the impact will be mitigated. As for Insuno and Jai Toy, Insuno, we are now getting to the peak season. And so still, this warning system are headed to we should just abide by it. Those who are living in flashpoint, we have moved all of them to higher points. They can't say, Insuno acting no combat. This is not the right time because economy soon. It will be if they identify there might be a day to prevent it or to not to relocate. They didn't ask to
okay. Nti wo mo anopa ye ne reporter kasa ebinum kwa so mo nya duane ni. Obinum so mo ekom de wo mo provide sa quick food bi ni sa ne ma bi ama wo mo ana.
But because as far as I am concerned, identified safe haven. So they are pretty information. As we speak now, and Accra, those who are affected are 40,027. And all these people are in our records. Yes, person yes. It is one more way identified safe haven. They are not public volunteer to put customers for them. I want a paper around to do their name and from the APR, then these people relocated to their friends or family.
Well, Oma Edu Omunkomu are from Malam area, reported by Malam area.
Malam. Okay, and but your mama said not to go back on the they should be captured. Your Malam say and trap. Your mom provide with customers mom to Atlantic Station Services, why Indian company not buying customers for all of them. It's in the APR, not that they are not in our safe. So we don't go to houses. We identify those that they take the honor to everything. So then they should make sure that they have been captured appropriately. So
far, cars. Don't do a sign on my team. I say, Mama, Master
cars.
Vehicle.
Oh, vehicles maybe a bit over almost about 57 into a cars. You know, some were caught up in the middle of the flood. A bit more to our cars on my parking and a flood nearby. And you know, petrol cars, they are not good conductors of water. As for petrol cars, they still go into their training. But we hope there will be some mechanism to make sure that all those people bounce back.
My advice say a relocation of a community and answer saying for now you nyanya that direct bien from who.
For now that direction in by but no any president any meeting kaka we have to brief president on the occurrences. But it's one of the recommendations I did to us the government must have that political will. So places say a relocation, the entire community must be relocated. We have to do it. So we should maybe address those were parcels that were created not for human habitation. And if we had contained it as such, and can soon a best spread, but which means it's so we are not it's just retention centers are not baptizing and they are feeling near their dying. So that is what will happen and the way to go. And in some few months or some few weeks to come, someone to say, clear buildings on the water path. You guys must all support us. And let's take the bull by the horn and make sure that we eradicate this. We cannot completely eliminate the flooding, but at least its impact on society and communities can be reduced drastically.
We Dennis Nate, Greater Accra Regional NADMO Director, and I'm going to say, aiding common. So, so Mike, I think, sir, you should any proper approach to fighting this,
Sir, what you come with crying, Papa, or say 40% human activities. Inti the OCBB and I see nsuo mu abloko nsuo no kwan de o de mura egu gatemu ene ne ma bia ye bia no aye de prevent say ma nsuo no kwan nsuo na no enya bi nkono na de aba system no so no eye de a natural okay in this anka 40 ni ye a e bi anka de said ye esia cause damage kan yesa na me there is one thing me hunu the political world.
Yeah.
Anyhow. Who's that? I'm saying I'm not a political CIN. I'm suggest say maybe we'll cross some relocation. Maybe also crown one. Was say bubu wadai demolition exercise koso. Do they have to suggest to the president? Once we know, sir, last year the president himself getting briefing after say what a few watch oba in the first state of the nation address e catch say what directing all the MDs say omo make sure so obi an there wo bi an be buagu any more than 1 year na yantimi anye na enei enkran nso ayira fa nkrofo japade enra me papa bi de me ro pa na nkokɔ wɔyɛ nyina nkokɔ ni nyina ewu amana ka ba akɔpɛ kokɔ ba thousands no ni nyina ewu rubber ka ba akɔpɛ hwɛ o papa no ona wɔyɛ adwuma wɔ ne nkyɛn ona afɔ no ɔmo yɛ adwuma ona ɔsɔpra ɔmo x ona ɔmo kɔtɔ nkokɔ ni bi kɔtɔn abusua ɔhwɛ ɔmo a ɔmo dan no eso ɔmo nyina no ɛne papa na nkasa mu kura no ɔmo aba from zero na yɛ massage issues no. So was a relocation and any class here. So was a bit there. I don't know what I say. Yakwaya and trouble my Yakwaya and trouble my everybody did.
We are always afraid of political.
And there was no Guswana, Ecoso, and there bore minor, or minor, and will be either knee. Because Abbaseno, we're quite a bit of Yamiasi, a Kakasiphobi, but who are for the dear Mac. MPC Nadi. Bebre ka obo enso ferese o ne beba nti na yehu ye no aka kesefo pa ebinom because o heba bia esitaman fortete ka se gu ho ni nsu afọ ekọ ho a na no hye yen sempelifo se o ma no ye de ma mfie nan a e ba ju din se ro tumfo ka ye na ado no ubetumi agi udin pa magara ebo udin forever enti o monye de betu ambo mudin amudin atrase ache no munya asase yesuro ase power nti ramen ka baya efa be the base for no ana say odikamu bi mra wo be be hu sa wo because yete yi obi e no be so say ma so jani aba mra so ja ba yem pebio but democracy no so say da mo ayesa tie the bende kosi kwada ezi yanko here sofo yanko here
good morning reverend.
Yeah, when
Reverend, me but original is Kayaba, name Catapika station up there.
Maminti.
Reverend, and open my memo abaso. I will find out what to say Ghana a bit generic. Nothing is true. A year piano. Will be able to do Reverend. If I make us on my way every year, who presented Mudimutin to mine. And you say your presenters meeting someone else, more kind of place here. Reverend, I bet what I'm on mine. I could an intake Medawase and Yanupi. In my men for Professor Joseph, I mean, take it some last. And so not alone. Yeah, me pete mu se ahemfo no bi na ya no moto nsuo ewo ensase wo nsuo ho e di man konfo na abamu di to so ko oh that me say yensi no ti say konfo nti mra bi ni ho ma betima di o mo ana because what mu ta ha yensuo place pa ni pa da tani no kokoton na ni pa da tani aba permit say yensi ensuo yiri anye do man ni sika kokko say o man e da kwan sika e di betis hospital yes Reverend, I did a some of our going to keep you. Your mum ready to do a not anymore with 2 general mine on tunnel.
That's my father and scholar. Hello, good morning, Juan. I'm in a cassette.
Reverend, Malinda, Twanesi, because every Bantima.
Mamintio.
Mamincha Professor Joshua Labi, Naminta Malasa, Edinburgh Regional Chairman. Not by for Edinburgh Regional Secretary or friend, regional organizer. Many can capital once my capital boaba from from the Adam of Vacuum, one was men a boom pen no more departing a teaching cut off for. Petrol walk off, you know, when a boom pen no more funny at the for. Most and dreadful, Tiana Monigana for many years. I said, Petrol boba from the saying, French and a topic too. Adaba for more is so more petrol. So last time it forgot. Me Ghana muta umuta na petrol baba for na mutu some catchene patients when demonstration. Et nyame bona mu ya muso central for amuka wo mu. Mama mo nimbre ada for nemo mu dai no o mu ye no. Damen Mahama, Ghana man penny some that will be a Yamin and a Ghana she papa Diego Pemagan and Indiana Manan and Yadian. I mean, I said no red me for Baumia, a passa Uma, a Swafa Uma or Kanya or Pete. Young 5 to Ghana, so say Ghana Flamina and day. And you Mahomino. You like that, she had 15 penny 4 dear when you are Bahamo, a bay of performance say young no Fenidi. And people for me so when I did to about the onion and to about my lady that I know to say.
But I say I'm father and scholar. Hello, good morning, how are you?
Hello, good morning, Reverend.
Yeah, Hannah Nenekase.
That's a Jamal, they do feel a master.
I'm into you.
I become a mintia papa, Professor Joshua Alavi. I'm in charge of the Nazi, incoming regional secretary, for about also better my wings.
Right, I'm CR with Madame for your first commercial break. I'm into you.
Now, Dama for my neighbor, Musuka.